Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the screen recording settings, recording the resolution and the bitrate and the FPS, what you can actually get in the POCO X8 Pro device. And this exact comment which has been requested by one of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this topic. So now let me to show you exactly the default graphic settings in the screen recording. So these are the default resolution what you can actually record. So let me to show you exactly as you can see, this is a maximum resolution you can record, and then is a 720 and 480. So these are the three different resolutions you can actually record in the POCO X8 Pro. And now let's check the video quality. You can go up to 100 Mbps of video quality as well. So that's also pretty good. And next setting is orientation option, portrait and the landscape. We do have this kind of options as well. And we do have the sound source, which is a microphone system, or the both you can use. That's also really a pretty good useful feature. I would definitely say that, regarding the sound recording as well. And frame rates, you can actually adjust up to 90 fps frame rates regarding the screen recording in this POCO X8 Pro default screen recording options, up to 90 fps. It's a pretty good option. And lock screen to end, so you can definitely press the lock screen like when you're trying to record, and once you are done you can press the lock screen and the screen recording will stop automatically. You can actually use that feature. And show touch gestures, so if you want to display your touch gestures where your actions are, you can select that show touch gestures options as well. And show button taps, you can actually even do that. So visualize the navigation buttons. So when you're trying to click back or front, you can actually do that, visualizing navigation button, like going to the home screen and everything. And in this way you can actually customize a lot of things in the screen recording application in the POCO X8 Pro device. These are the details which you should be able to know about, like bitrate, frame rates and the video quality, like resolution and bitrate, and like what video quality can actually record, and the frame rate. These are the few essential things you should know about the screen recording in the POCO X8 Pro device. So now let me to start recording and let's see what gonna be the clarity and everything. I'm trying to record at 90 fps with the highest quality as well. And now let me to play the gameplay and let's see how is the overall experience going to be there in this POCO X8 Pro device. And this is the gameplay which I'm going to do the testing. So this gameplay supports up to 120 fps. You can see the frame rates 120 fps. It's supported right now. And right now I'm going to turn on the screen recording. Let's turn on the screen recording option. And screen recording is on, and right now you'll be able to get this option as well. So immediately it will not start. You need to press again 2 times. You need to press to start the screen recording. So right now the screen is started to record at this moment, and you can see even after the screen recording starts, the frame rates are not impacted in the gameplay. So no issues with that as well in the POCO X8 Pro device. As you can see guys clearly. So in case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. So right now I'm going to show you exactly the properties of this video, how it is. Let me to open the MX player to show you better statistics test results of the screen recording. And you do have the different options, like 3 options you do have. Like directly you can open the screen recording folder, or you can go to the settings options to change, adjust, and you can come back as well. That option is also available. So right now let me go to the settings, and this is the exact screen recording which I recorded. And now I am going to show you the FPS, how much we are getting, because I have selected the 90 fps right for the video, and right now we are getting about like 60 fps. The video is playing it. And now I am going to show you the properties of the video as well. So these exact properties I have selected. The bit rate, you can see how much it is, and the resolution. So for this a quick information guys, like one of the tips and tricks about the screen recording in the POCO X8 Pro. In case if you have any other questions or any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. So this is a complete review and tutorial about the screen recording in the POCO X8 Pro. Until then, signing off, thank you for watching and bye.